Hello everyone, welcome back to the College Dunia exam channel. Are you also planning for NEET 2026? Then this is something you absolutely cannot afford to miss. Before your admit card is released, there is one crucial document that can save you from last minute stress, travel chaos, and unnecessary panic. That is the City Intimation Slip. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know. What is it, when it will be released, how to download it, and why it matters for your NEET journey. So let's get started. What exactly is the NEET City Intimation Slip? Think of it as an early update from the NTA that tells you the city where your exam will be conducted. But remember, this is not your admit card. It's just a preliminary document meant to help you plan ahead. Now you might be wondering why this slip matters so much. So let me tell you. First, it helps you plan your travel and accommodation early, especially if your exam city is far from home. It reduces last minute stress, no scrambling for tickets or hotels a day before the exam. And third, keep in mind this slip is for information only. It will not allow you to enter the exam hall. And third, keep in mind this slip is for information only. It will not allow you to enter the exam hall. So let's quickly look at the expected timeline. The City Intimation Slip is likely to be released April 2026. The admit card is expected around April 29, 2026. And finally, NEET UG 2026 is scheduled for May 3, 2026. Do note these are tentative dates, so keep checking the official websites regularly. Now the question is how to download the City Intimation Slip. Downloading your City Intimation Slip is simple. Just follow these steps. Go to the official NEET website, click on the City Intimation Slip link, enter your application number and date of birth or password. Fill in the security captcha and click submit. Your slip will appear. Download it and take printout for future reference. If you have forgotten your password, don't panic. Just click on the forgot password option on the login page. Enter your application number, date of birth and security PIN. Then choose whether you want to reset via email or SMS. Follow the link, set a new password and you are good to go. Follow the link, set a new password and you are good to go. Let's clear one common confusion, that is City Intimation Slip versus admit card. The City Intimation Slip only tells you your exam city, but the admit card on the other hand is your entry pass. It contains your exam center address, roll number and important instructions. No admit card means no entry. That's it. It's that simple. Once your City Intimation Slip is released, don't delay. Download it immediately and plan your travel and stay. Keep checking the official website for updates on your admit card, and most importantly, make sure you carry your admit card on exam day, that is May 3rd, because without it, you won't be allowed inside the exam hall. And that's everything you need to know about the NEET 2026 City Intimation Slip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to College Dunia for more such updates and exam guides. That's everything you need to know about the NEET 2026 City Intimation Slip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to College Dunia exam for more such updates, exam guides and preparation tips. All the best for your NEET 2026. Stay prepared, confident and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.